Hello, Bearded Universe. I am DanCBearded. I go by the Trusted Teacher. I'll be joined by my amazing wife, Sam C, in a little bit. And today, we will be reviewing the American company Gladiator, which you can only find on Amazon. I'll have some interesting information about their company, their products, and overall what we think of what they have going on. So if you're interested, please stay tuned to learn more about this company and their scent, the Icon. Company, a little bit of information about the Gladiator Beard Company. They are a small family-owned business out of Colorado, United States. They are founded and have the CEO, Murray, who also runs it with his wife, who is the CFO, the financial guru. Now, he started this company, of course, to provide great beard products for the bearded men out there, but he also had a love and passion for history, and he wanted to work that into the company, and you can see that right in the name. And don't get me started, guys. You know my love and passion for history as well. I could go on for days about the gladiators, about Spartacus and the uprising. Oh, absolutely love that time period and the different types of gladiators and the weapons. Oh, man. Seriously, hold me back. This could be a while. But he loved that history so much, they actually hired an artist to create their own original artwork, and he had it actually placed right on their custom balm tints. He didn't want to put it on a paper label. This is right on there, and they paid for that, which is pretty amazing. Another pretty cool thing about this company is they work with veteran-owned companies in their supply chain, and they take 5% of their annual profits and they donate it back to veterans. That's pretty amazing that they're looking out for that, especially with that history tie-in and feel there. Another thing that is pretty cool, and they have it labeled on here right away, is they have a trademarked beard shield formula. That they have something that is going to make your beard look great, but also protect it and make it feel great, which is awesome, and I can verify that in the feel segment later. So really, really cool information. They are on Amazon, which we know is super nice, super easy with 2-day shipping, but I don't want this to get confused with some of these Chinese companies that you just slap a new label on. This is a small, family-owned business that just so happened to choose to go with Amazon because of the ease of access for you guys. So don't get that twisted. This is American. This is done really, really well by an awesome husband and wife combo team. So pretty cool. Right now they do have the balm online on Amazon, and they will be launching the oil. I think I'm one of the first people to get these oils here, and it is really, really good. And we'll talk all about that. And hey, I didn't even put in the title or anything, but guess what? Giveaway at the end. We're gonna have 2 giveaway winners for these products, so please stay tuned to know how you can enter. Price. I rate every company based on a 1, 2, or 3 $ price rating, and I am going to, just based on the balm, because that's what they have online right now, give the Gladiator Beard Company a solid $2 price rating. They have a really good deal. You can get this 2.6 ounce, yes, 2.6 ounce tin of beard balm, which is custom printed, has some really cool little lip and ledge on the bottom there, for about $17 on Amazon. I saw yesterday there's a 5% coupon on there. It wasn't there this morning, but I'm sure that's something that comes and goes, meaning this is less than $7 an ounce. So if you compare that to a normal 2-ounce product, if you get a 2-ounce balm for $14, that's a really solid price. A very good price, not the best in the world, but by no means anywhere near a 3. So definitely, I'm assuming their oil is going to be in that similar category there. A $2 price rating for Gladiator Beard Co. Scent. Today we have the Icon scent in oil and balm, and then we'll have Sam join us in a little bit, and I'm really interested to hear what she says, because I've worn this 6 or 7 times now, and I think every single time she has said something different. And I think that kind of leads off what this scent is. It is a very rich and complex, manly smell. I don't want to say cologne because that's a cop-out and too easy of a way to describe something, and I want to get away from doing that unless it is an intended cologne. But it is natural. It is almost this unique concoction of manliness in this, When I smell it, it is definitely a little bit on the sweet side, but with some rich qualities to it. You definitely feel like a man. You definitely feel strong when you smell this. The balm is a little bit different than the oil. The oil is a little bit more subtle when you have some of that bergamot that comes in here. I'm going to go over the ingredients in the segment with my beautiful wife, Sam. But there definitely is bergamot. There definitely is vanilla that I get in the oil. And then when you get over to the balm, I really get patchouli. So if you are a patchouli fan, I definitely think patchouli is the star of the show. And when I put this in beard, that patchouli really comes out. It's like a manly floral, but with a little zinger in there, a little bite to it, but it's very, very nice. For me, this is a scent that I really like. I don't love, I don't hate it. It's not to me. It would be above average. It is not my absolute favorite of all time, but I would wear this, and I have worn this 6 to 7 times. So for me, definitely an above average scent. The theme is one of the best. The oil, everything there is really, really cool. But for scent, it's really good, but I'm not going absolutely crazy over it because it is pretty complex. And I'm more of a simple kind of guy myself, but I do really enjoy this. All right, bearded gentlemen out there and any other significant others, this is my beautiful wife, Sam C. Sam, anything to say to the people?
No.
Nothing? All right.
Don't put me
Quite
on the
simple.
spot like that.
I don't warn her on anything. We don't script anything, so that's just how it goes. She's got nothing. All right, Sam, today we will be reviewing Gladiator Company.
Okay.
And they're out of Colorado, which
Cool.
is one place we want to visit.
Yes.
We want to make a little road trip out there. So
Yep.
Colorado. And this is a newer company. They have a balm, and then we are releasing the oil. This video is kind of kicking off the oil with
Cool.
that. And she knows I love the history angle and everything. So first off, I always have her look at like the labeling and the packaging. What are your thoughts here?
It's cool. So the name is Gladiator.
Yep, Gladiator
Okay.
Beard Company.
Okay.
And this
cool.
scent is the Icon scent. The Icon.
Nice.
One thing that I like, it's your normal 2-ounce large bottle. And then the balm, what I like about the balm is it's the tin, but the bottom has like raised edges.
Why do you like that?
I don't know, it's just cool. It just feels good
I was
in
like,
hand.
oh, is it good for grip?
No.
Is it an extra little bit in the rim?
No, to me, no logical advantage there. It just feels cool.
Oh.
So absolutely. So this is their Icon scent. I want you to just tell what you think it smells like. I've already
Okay.
given my input on it for the scent section.
Okay.
And then I'll tell you what's in it and see if we can blow your mind there. So just give a description.
To me, it sort of has like a cotton candy sort of smell to it.
Whoa. Okay.
Like sweet. Is it sweet?
Wow.
No? Wait.
Cotton candy. Okay, I can see that angle. That never
Yes,
crossed my mind.
Cotton candy.
Wow. Okay. Interesting. All right.
In a not super sweet way.
Yeah.
But
Interesting.
a little bit sweet.
Okay. Interesting. See about the balm.
These are the same scents?
Yes.
Okay, this one has very soapy.
Wow.
Is something wrong with me today?
She's all over the map today. So we got cotton candy and soapy.
This one doesn't smell sweet to me, but this one smells like a soapy smell.
Soap.
Yes.
Okay. Interesting.
Blow my mind.
Yeah,
What is
all right,
it?
all right. So what is in here? And one thing I really like about this company is he lists all of his essential oils.
Oh, I like that. So
I
we're
do
not playing
too.
this like guessing
So
game.
sometimes they'll talk about them on the website, but
Yeah.
right on the packaging, he puts the scientific name of the essential oil and the layman's term
Didn't
name.
know essential oils had scientific
All
names.
oils do, yeah. They have their scientific name there. So the first one that we have is frankincense, which is
Okay.
a very expensive, nice one. We have bergamot.
Bergamot.
We love bergamot. That would be the sweet in there. That definitely brings sweet. Cocoa,
Okay.
a little chocolatey. Peppermint, lavender, vanilla, patchouli, who I think is the star of the show, but we'll see, and orange. So lavender, patchouli, peppermint, orange, bergamot, Do you get any of that out of there?
No.
Nothing?
No. I get a soapy smell.
Summon patchouli. Think about that like flowery scent that they use to put over corpses so you don't smell the dead bodies. You don't pull that out of there? Okay, wow. So you smell soap.
Soapy.
What kind of soap?
Any kind, like your basic bar soap.
Really? See, I don't get that at all.
This is different.
This is why we do that.
I can see all of those oils, all of the sweetness.
Anything different now that you know?
No.
Okay. All right.
Just keeping it real
All
here.
right. So you got cotton candy out of that still?
Yes.
Okay. So she's got cotton candy and soapy out of these two scents here. I do not get the soapy at all on the balm.
Really?
That's.
What is that? What is the overwhelming scent for you?
For me, I get a lot of patchouli. A lot of patchouli in there. And I get little bits of vanilla. I get a couple things here. This one, I do see the cotton candy. And I do see cotton candy in the balm.
Really?
Yeah, I can see where you're coming from with that mindset. I don't think it's what it is.
No.
But I think
it's
if
just
you...
a lot of like sweet smells.
Yeah. I think if you frame it that way, definitely. And this one does evolve in beard. So I will say that, and I talked about that on my scent portion. So, okay. Now I have absolutely no idea where she's going with this. Overall thoughts on this oil and balm combo for scent?
Not a fan of the balm.
Okay.
In the scent that I'm smelling.
Yeah,
you know
right, and that's all she can judge.
Yeah. And the oil is so-so for me. It doesn't blow my mind.
Okay.
I think.
Okay. When I had this in beard, especially the first time, you had described it as a natural cologne.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, she did. And I didn't have her smell it in the bottle or the balm because I just wanted her, I had it in that day and I wanted her to smell it when I was testing it. She said, okay, that smells like a natural cologne.
I feel like I need to get like my nose back in order, like I've been out of the game for a week.
Yeah. No, I definitely get the cotton candy, and then yeah, it's just a women's perspective.
It is what
you would,
it is, folks.
You would know more about soap than I would, so that makes sense. That makes sense and sense.
Makes sense.
So hopefully maybe some sense. No, we don't make any sense. There's no affiliate on this for us or anything there. What do you know about gladiators?
They have abs.
Okay, in the movies they do have abs.
And they're usually not fully clothed.
Okay, all right. Anything about it? Their job, what they do, their life, anything, where they're from?
They're just chilling, just working through life.
Chilling, no shirt on.
One sword at a time.
Okay, all right. Great history lesson there from Sam C. You guys, it definitely runs in the family. All right, so overall, middle, no, yes? Middle, okay.
Middle to low.
Middle to low?
Yeah.
All right, awesome. Well, thank you, Sam C,
You're
for the
welcome.
women's perspective. Hope you guys enjoyed that cotton candy soap review. Feel in Beard. I think the highlight of this company is the Feel in Beard as far as the health and the styling goes. The oil is brand new, but it is absolute quality. It is on the thicker side of the oils, which I really enjoy for that styling purposes. And it's extremely nice. When you put it in beard, you can tell right away that it's going to be a good beard day. And then the balm with that Beard Shield formula, trademarked, it is legit. Makes your beard look great and feel great. Again, I said the scent was above average. I believe that the Feel in Beard is top notch. My beard always feels healthy. It's always a good beard day. A huge test for me is at the end of the day, if I'm not taking a shower, can I run my comb through my beard and how does it feel? If there's a ton of static, I knew I did not use the right amount of product or it wasn't a good product. If it still goes through nicely and my beard feels great, it doesn't feel brittle, that's a quality product. When I put this in at 6 a.m. and then 8:30 p.m. comes around, I can still run a comb through there and it feels nice. That is high praise for Feel in Beard. So if you are someone that really values the health and appearance and feel of your beard, This is a company at a really good value to give a look to, and hey, you got Amazon Prime, it can get there in 2 days. Rebuy. Would I purchase these products again or any products from them in the future? Yes, I would. The artwork and the history behind this is too beautiful not to have in my beard shrine. Absolutely love it. It is a nice, unique switch up. I have 0 cents in my 400 or 500 that are anything near this or like this, which is valuable to me. I am very excited to see what other scents they come out with. I want to be one of the first to try anything new by this company. But yeah, I will absolutely rock this scent again. Feels great, looks great, but I definitely am excited to see what historical areas they come out with and what new scents they have. So definitely I will be rebuying some of these new products that they come out with, and I hope you guys give them a look as well. No affiliate link or anything in there, but just give back to a family-owned American company. Absolutely awesome. Now, you guys know I always leave you with a question to interact with on the comments. Please stay tuned for the next segment for that question. Oh yeah, giveaway! This one's for the subscribers, y'all. We want to see who really watches these videos for the right reasons and give back. Today, we are going to have 2 giveaway winners with an oil and balm combo. You'll be one of the first humans to receive the Gladiator oil, and you can pick up their balm with that for the combo. 2 ounces of oil, 2.6 ounces of balm. Woo! All I need you to do is leave me a comment down below, answer this question. This company gives back to veterans of our country. I teach about amazing veterans every single day and tell their importance and tell their stories. In the comment down below, name a veteran that you would like to say thank you to and any bit of information out there about that veteran. For me, I'd like to say thank you to my cousin Jeff. My cousin Jeff had given many, many years for our country and is such an amazing guy. Gave up plenty of opportunities to do what he loved and what he knew was right for our country. So cousin Jeff, man, thank you for everything you've done. I don't know if he watches these videos or anything, but I sincerely appreciate what you've given for our country there. So just leave me a comment, guys. Tell me what veteran you would like to thank. That will enter you in this contest. I'll probably bring Maddox back. We'll put the names and draw it like traditional style, and I'll let you know how you can get your winnings with 2 different winners from the Gladiator Beard Company. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Any veterans out there, absolute salute. Thank you from our country, from any country around the world. I appreciate your efforts. Thanks for watching today, you guys. I hope you learned something new and enjoyed this review.